What is up, guys? We are back with another video, and today I'm showing you how to properly warm up a KX65 or any two-stroke dirt bike, really. It's cold distance. Both of them are cold. Haven't been hooked up today. The first step is just to make sure your gas is on. My gas for KX100 is right, and I don't know if I put it on here. I'll show you the KX65. It's right here. Just make sure that's on, and if it's under like 55 degrees, I have to put your truck on, and then most time it'll crank up on its first or second try. But I'm gonna sit you guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna hold you guys. I'll show you how long it should take. It shouldn't take too long to warm it up, but I'm gonna try it with my truck off because it's not really that cold. Actually, I'm gonna cut it on. And I just like to get right here and just go down slow like 2 times. Yeah, that should crank up. Now all I gotta do is turn the truck off. So now you just let it warm up for like 3 minutes. And make sure you don't rev it. Everything is still picked up because it can do cold start seeds. You can seed up the engine and mess it up. I just turned the auto down as soon as I picked it up. Let me turn it up just a tad bit. No, it should be good. Until you get the right on, then wow. Whether you get the smoke out the back end of the horn, or the top of your pipe. I would say that's good. I'm gonna show you guys. Well, we used some of you guys were asking that before we made this channel on our old channel. But this is what oil I've been using. Two-stroke Lucas. Basically, I use this because this one has it's a 2009, so it has power valves. This one 2006, and it does not. But this one here, it reduces the carbon buildup, so it doesn't really cause. And it's good for both of them. We used to use Caster 927, but we ran out of it, and this is in our area. The other oil wasn't. So, oh yeah, if you guys want one of these things here to help you mix your oil, this thing here is like $5. You can get it like on your Kawasaki dealer next time you get there or something, or Advanced Auto Parts or something. I don't think they really have them, but they have mixing cups. It tells you, say if you have a gallon of gas, see if you guys can see that. Focus. Alright, so it's gallons, 1 gallon goes all up to 2, so if you have 2.5. Say if you have a gallon of gas, it says that you run 32 to 1, you fill it up to right there where it says 32 to 1 on a gallon. And then on this side it has how many ounces. CC and pints. So I hope you guys enjoy our second video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.